Hi viewers, I am Rakesh Kumar Gupta, 62 years old, recently retired from the government job and now heading Rajasthan chapter of a prestigious Indian Chamber of Industry. I thought I would never become old from heart, from mind, but all of a sudden, it was probably on the 10th of February, I came to know that I was on the brink of a major MI, that is commonly in common parlance we call heart attack. And that journey, the traumatic journey started from that point of time when I could not finish my treadmill. ECG was very dangerous. I had to stop treadmill halfway through. Cardiologists say that yes, you can have MI. Rather, they were astonished. How could not you have MI up till now, because your TMT was very, very, very dangerous and positive. Immediately we got for angiography at Fortis Hospital. And the angiography, what we saw, and since I come from a family where there are many doctors are there and we have a very good support system in medical fraternity, so a lot of doctors were there, including my son, my son-in-law. And when they saw on the screen that all the three big arteries, they were, I'm told that because I'm an engineer, I don't know much about that, but since inquisitive about medical science also, and my both kids are into medical profession, I just heard saying the doctor who was doing my angio, he was talking to a very senior cardiologist in Jaipur. Sir, it seems to be TVD, and let us talk Dr. Bana. And since angio is held in full consciousness, I could make out that something is wrong. And when my trolley was being taken out, I saw on the screen when my brother-in-law was sitting there, and very large portion of the film which I had a glimpse of it, I could make out that there is something serious problem. And then I went to my room. But the traumatic journey started thereafter. The entire family was outside and they discussed, and there was no other option, I'm told, except to go for open heart surgery. We call bypass surgery. Angio got done at Fortis Hospital, which is hardly a kilometer away from the Eternal Heart Hospital. And the entire family members immediately went to Eternal Heart Hospital.
We discussed a lot कि हम इनको बॉम्बे ले जाएं, दिल्ली ले जाएं, क्योंकि बहुत ही शॉकिंग था हमारे लिए, because he's a fit man for us कि भाई वॉक करते हैं, प्राणायाम करते हैं, बहुत फिट हैं, कुछ खाना पीना ऐसा नहीं है. तो सबको लगा अचानक क्या हुआ कि नहीं बॉम्बे चलते हैं, नहीं दिल्ली चलते हैं. लेकिन क्योंकि हमारी फैमिली में बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, हमने बोर्ड रूम में बैठ के डिस्कस किया और एक ही नाम आया, डॉक्टर बाना और इटर्नल हार्ट.
And I knew Dr. Bana because he operated her father 10 years ago.
तो बस हम इमीडिएटली उनसे हमें लगा पता नहीं उनके पास हमारे लिए टाइम होगा या नहीं, ऑपरेशन होना इतना जल्दी है. हम वहाँ से भाग के यहाँ आए 2 बजे and हमने बात की.
And contrary to our belief that being such a big hospital in Rajasthan and Dr. Bana being such a busy doctor, he was so simple, available. That was a real, I said, the stress buster experience for all of us.
Yeah. हम मिले उनसे उन्होंने आते ही हमें within 15-20 minutes वो अपने चैम्बर में आए और हमें बताया पूरा. उन्होंने सीडी देखी, उसके बाद उन्होंने पूरा ड्राइंग बना के हमें समझाया, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या ब्लॉक है, क्या ब्लॉक नहीं है, क्या. उन्होंने पूरा मुझे समझाया, हम लोग जितने भी लोग थे फैमिली की, कि इस तरह से ये 3 आर्टरीज और इस तरह से ये ब्लॉकेज है और ये इमीडिएटली ये होनी है सर्जरी.
It was found to be a TVD.
Convinced कि हाँ, और हमें पूरा फेथ डॉक्टर बाना में था ही, और आ गया उनके समझाने से, उनके बात करने से कंफर्ट लेवल कि हाँ ये हमें इस समस्या से निकाल देंगे. हमने कहा कैसे लाएं, एंजियोग्राफी वहाँ हुई है, अभी वो कही चुकी है, और यहाँ बोले नहीं हमारी एम्बुलेंस जाएगी, आप बिल्कुल भी चिंता नहीं करें और हम लाएंगे, आईसीयू में शिफ्ट करेंगे और पूरी टीम हमारी काम करेगी और हम कल मॉर्निंग में अर्लीस्ट उनका ऑपरेशन करेंगे। हमारे लिए सपना था, हमें लगा पता नहीं अभी 2 दिन लग जाएंगे, 4 दिन लग जाएंगे, क्या हो जाएगा, बट बिल्कुल उन्होंने हमें रिलैक्स कर दिया उसी वक्त कि नहीं हम लोग जल्द से जल्द इसको करेंगे विद आवर फुल टीम, पूरा समझाया।
So that is where the difference arises with any other hospital and with the Eternal Heart Hospital. With a competent, I would say, Dr. Bana and his team, they are the jewel of medical fraternity of entire North India, Rajasthan और जयपुर में नहीं. And this hospital.
क्या टीम है आपकी?
And they were kept, I was not in the scene in the whole process. I was shifted in the ambulance here at emergency at around 5:15 or so, and I had a lot of things in mind that they first will go to reception, then they will ask so many questions, check deposit, formalities.
No.
But immediately.
उनका पूरा फोकस पेशेंट पे था। उन्होंने कहा बाकी सब काम बाद में होगा, आप उनको पहले आईसीयू में पहुंचाइए।
So that is the difference I would want to tell people, that this hospital works with heart, treats patients with heart, which is their tagline also. I would add one more thing for the management, that this hospital treats patient through its competent doctors, nursing staff, administration staff, anybody with politeness, with a sensitive heart, I would say. And and believe me friends, I did not have even iota of fear in my mind, because Dr. Bana, I did not discuss with Dr. Bana what he will do, what he will not do. Only thing which gave me a lot of confidence was, he said, what do you want? I said, Dr. Bana, I would like to go to Amarnath. So he was so instant, okay Mr. Gupta, I will also go with you. That boosted my confidence. And the rest is
का स्टाफ, नर्सिंग स्टाफ, क्लिनिक स्टाफ, आप जो भी पेशेंट के लिए खाना आ रहा है आईसीयू में, हमें 1% की दिक्कत नहीं है। एक बार मिलना है 24 घंटे में, बट दे कन्विंस अस सो वेल कि कभी ये एंजाइटी नहीं हुई कि 2 बार मिले, 4 बार मिले, 6 बार नहीं, एक बार मिलना है उसमें हम सेटिस्फाई हैं, क्योंकि इतना तरीका इतना अच्छा है। पहले डॉक्टर बाना आते हैं, उनकी टीम आती है, पूरा हमें अटेंडेंट को ब्रीफ करती है कि क्या है अंदर, उसके बाद हमें मिलना है, तो हम इतना पहले सुकून मिल जाता है कि डॉक्टर साहब से हम मिलिए, पेशेंट हमारा बिल्कुल ठीक है, तो हमें आईसीयू में जाना है।
And I spent 5 days in ICU, and there I had no work because there was no other problem, not even a single pain. Every doctor would come, sir pain कहाँ हो रहा है, और भाई पेन हो तो बताएं, कोई कंप्लेंट हो तो बताएं। So what I spent time in observing how the nursing staff was doing. Fortunately, we have a lot of connectivity with the medical fraternity and the team management, hospital management.
Doesn't matter.
But the important thing which I want to tell my viewers is that the treatment to patient by the team is same. Even if a person comes from a village without any connectivity, I can assure him, मैं उसको विश्वास दिला सकता हूँ कि उसको भी VIP treatment मिलेगा. So this I observed. Nursing staff has never been demanding. Very polite.
Very polite.
Yeah, very polite.
And very highly trained.
Very highly trained.
कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कुछ गड़बड़ ना कर दें ये लोग. इतने सारे इंजेक्शंस, इतनी सारी ट्यूब्स, इतनी सारे वायरिंग, इतनी सारी ड्रेसिंग, लेकिन कभी भी नहीं लगा ऐसा.
I'm a mechanical engineer. There were many big size tubes for pierced into my stomach. And when she came, that she would take it out. I said, I don't know what will happen. There will be a splash of blood coming out. But while talking, just take, breathe in, hold, and done. What is
physiotherapy? Oh, such a lovely doctors.
And after I think 4th day, yesterday they made me to climb 1 floor. And today I am hale and hearty. So I had insurance also here. But our experience with dealing at the counter with regard to the TPA was again very, very hassle-free. So I am really very grateful
thankful and grateful to all the doctors of Eternal Heart Hospital and entire team of this hospital. We are really thankful from bottom of our heart.
God bless the entire Eternal Heart Hospital family and the management. And 3 cheers for Dr. Bana and his team.
Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.